All right, Curly Crew, today we're doing a wash day routine that's all about scalp health, moisture, enhancing what you already have. Simple, intentional, and fully planned power. So let's get into it. The first thing we do is a treatment shampoo. This isn't just for cleansing, it's for resetting, detangling, strengthening. The shampoo does it all. I always focus right on the scalp because that's where healthy hair begins. Use the pad of your fingers, lift any buildup, stimulate your roots, and really work it in. Once everything's coated, you can let it sit for 3 minutes. This is your moment to breathe, release, and wash away everything that no longer serves you. Build up stress, energy, let it go. The shampoo is doing the same thing for your scalp. Next, obviously, our Lay Me Down conditioner with mango butter and inulin. This step is all about hydration and slip. Apply it to the root to tip. Make sure the strands are fully coated, and then, my favorite part, grab a warm towel and place it over your hair. That heat helps the conditioner melt deeper into your curls, coils, and waves. It gives your hair that extra love, the extra softness, and the extra slip that makes detangling effortless. This is your little at-home spa moment. After you rinse, we're going in with the cream gel. This is where the magic shows up. Definition, touchable hold, and volume without crunch. Rake it through with your hands or use your favorite brush, whatever helps you distribute the product evenly. Don't rush this part. Give your curls the attention they deserve. You can scrunch it, lift it at the root, shape it like you want. This routine I must say, is not about changing your hair. It's about enhancing what you already have. And when we're done, we have these amazing curls. They look free, they feel free, they move free, soft, defined, alive. And remember, guys, to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself.